If your 2.7 Chevy Colorado feels a little choked up from the factory, a cold air intake is one of the easiest ways to wake it up. Better airflow means more power, better throttle response, and a meaner sound. All product links are in the video description, so check them out as we go. The K&N intake is the classic crowd favorite, and for good reason. Owners consistently report a stronger mid-range punch and a louder, more aggressive intake sound under boost. K&N claims gains of over 30 horsepower and more torque, and reviews back up the seat-of-the-pants improvement. The oversized oiled cotton filter is designed to go up to 100,000 miles between cleanings, making it a great daily driver option with low-maintenance vibes. Let's check how it sounds. The S&B intake is all about max airflow and turbo sound. That massive 5-inch inlet and smooth intake tube lets your 2.7 engine breathe way better than stock, especially under load. Drivers love the snap-in lid design because checking or cleaning the filter takes seconds. Reviews often mention quicker spool and a deeper intake growl, making this a top pick. If you want performance you can hear and feel every time you hit the gas. The AFE Power Momentum GT is built for drivers who want solid gains without the headache. Reviews love the sealed one-piece housing that keeps hot engine air out while feeding the turbo cooler denser air. Real-world testing shows noticeable throttle response and a stronger pull-up top. The large 5-layer cotton filter flows around 270 cubic feet per minute at 7 inches of water, and the clear window makes inspection stupidly easy without tearing anything apart. Let's roll the sound. Bottom line, any of these intakes will seriously upgrade your 2.7 Chevy Colorado. Whether you want easy maintenance, proven gains, or all-out airflow and sound. Don't forget, all the product links are in the video description. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more truck upgrades.